I go for a run every morning before breakfast.
I go for a run every morning before breakfast.
The morning was cold, but the sun was bright.
The morning was cold, but the sun was bright.
Most people in this town know each other.
Most people in this town know each other.
This is the most interesting book for me.
This is the most interesting book for me.
My mother cooks rice every Sunday evening.
My mother cooks rice every Sunday evening.
Her mother works at a hospital nearby.
Her mother works at a hospital nearby.
We can see a mountain from our window.
We can see a mountain from our window.
They climbed a small mountain in the morning.
They climbed a small mountain in the morning.
A mouse ate the cheese in the kitchen.
A mouse ate the cheese in the kitchen.
We saw a mouse run across the floor.
We saw a mouse run across the floor.
Open your mouth and say, "Ah," for the doctor.
Open your mouth and say, "Ah," for the doctor.
His mouth is full of chocolate cake.
His mouth is full of chocolate cake.
We will move to a new house in July.
We will move to a new house in July.
Please move the chair next to the window.
Please move the chair next to the window.
We watched a funny movie last night.
We watched a funny movie last night.
The movie starts at 7 in the evening.
The movie starts at 7 in the evening.
How much water do you drink each day?
How much water do you drink each day?
Thank you so much for your help.
Thank you so much for your help.
My mom works in a shop near here.
My mom works in a shop near here.
I called my mom after school today.
I called my mom after school today.
We visited the museum to see the dinosaur bones.
We visited the museum to see the dinosaur bones.
The museum opens at 10 in the morning.
The museum opens at 10 in the morning.
I like to listen to music every day.
I like to listen to music every day.
The music in this shop is very nice.
The music in this shop is very nice.
You must drink water every day.
You must drink water every day.
I must go to school now.
I must go to school now.
This is my book.
This is my book.
My mother works in a hospital.
My mother works in a hospital.
My name is Anna.
My name is Anna.
What is the name of your dog?
What is the name of your dog?
This juice is made from natural fruit.
This juice is made from natural fruit.
The park has many natural flowers and trees.
The park has many natural flowers and trees.
The school is near my house.
The school is near my house.
Come near and look at this picture.
Come near and look at this picture.
I need a glass of water.
I need a glass of water.
Do you need help with your bag?
Do you need help with your bag?
Please do not be so negative about everything.
Please do not be so negative about everything.
The test result was negative.
The test result was negative.
My neighbor has a big dog.
My neighbor has a big dog.
She is a very nice neighbor.
She is a very nice neighbor.
I never eat meat.
I never eat meat.
She never goes to bed late.
She never goes to bed late.
I have a new phone.
I have a new phone.
She is wearing new shoes today.
She is wearing new shoes today.
I watch the news every evening.
I watch the news every evening.
Did you hear the good news?
Did you hear the good news?
My father reads the newspaper every morning.
My father reads the newspaper every morning.
Can I have that newspaper, please?
Can I have that newspaper, please?
The next bus comes in 10 minutes.
The next bus comes in 10 minutes.
See you next week.
See you next week.
The bank is next to the supermarket.
The bank is next to the supermarket.
Please sit next to me.
Please sit next to me.
It is a nice day today.
It is a nice day today.
Your dress is very nice.
Your dress is very nice.
I sleep well at night.
I sleep well at night.
The stars are beautiful at night.
The stars are beautiful at night.
I have 9 books on my desk.
I have 9 books on my desk.
She is 9 years old.
She is 9 years old.
My sister is 19 years old.
My sister is 19 years old.
There are 19 students in my class.
There are 19 students in my class.
My grandmother is 90 years old.
My grandmother is 90 years old.
The book has 90 pages.
The book has 90 pages.
No, I do not want any coffee.
No, I do not want any coffee.
There is no milk in the fridge.
There is no milk in the fridge.
No one is at home now.
No one is at home now.
I called, but no one answered.
I called, but no one answered.
Nobody came to the party.
Nobody came to the party.
I saw nobody in the street.
I saw nobody in the street.
The city is in the north of the country.
The city is in the north of the country.
We are going north tomorrow.
We are going north tomorrow.
She has a small nose.
She has a small nose.
My nose is cold.
My nose is cold.
I am not hungry now.
I am not hungry now.
She does not like coffee.
She does not like coffee.
She wrote a note to her friend.
She wrote a note to her friend.
I left a note on the table.
I left a note on the table.
There is nothing in the box.
There is nothing in the box.
I have nothing to do today.
I have nothing to do today.
I am busy now.
I am busy now.
Can you help me now, please?
Can you help me now, please?
What is your phone number?
What is your phone number?
Please write the number on the paper.
Please write the number on the paper.
The nurse helped me at the hospital.
The nurse helped me at the hospital.
My aunt is a nurse.
My aunt is a nurse.
What is that small object on the table?
What is that small object on the table?
This object is very old.
This object is very old.
This is a photo of my family.
This is a photo of my family.
I want a glass of water.
I want a glass of water.
Please turn off the light.
Please turn off the light.
He took his shoes off.
He took his shoes off.
My father works in an office.
My father works in an office.
The office is on the second floor.
The office is on the second floor.
I often go to the park.
I often go to the park.
She often eats lunch at home.
She often eats lunch at home.
Oh, I forgot my keys.
Oh, I forgot my keys.
Oh, that is a nice dress.
Oh, that is a nice dress.
My grandfather is very old.
My grandfather is very old.
This is an old house.
This is an old house.
The book is on the table.
The book is on the table.
I watch TV on Sunday.
I watch TV on Sunday. Thanks for listening. Please like and subscribe if you learned something. See you next time.